He got me. Okay, welcome to the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith channel. Today we're going to do Ranger cookies. It was a request by Diane Johansson. So I hadn't heard of them, so we're going to give them a try. They got cereal in them. And I'm using cornflakes, but you can use Rice Krispies or a mixture of both, whatever you want. So starting off, oven, 350 degrees. And we are going to put in 1 cup of shortening. This is 1 cup, or you can use butter if you want. The recipe I got, I looked up a couple of them. One called for shortening, one called for butter. So use what you got. So got that. And 1 cup of brown sugar going in. And 1 cup of white sugar. We're having camera problems today. So let's mix that up a little bit. And then he turned it on before I was ready. So that's what that was at the beginning. Like, oh, deer in a headlight. What? I wasn't ready.
I got to catch you off guard every once in a while.
Because he knows I'm not going to go back and fix it. Alright, and then we've got 3 eggs. So we're going to put 1 in at a time. This one calls for candies, for coconut, nuts, cereal. I mean, there isn't anything bad in it that we don't like.
All the sweet stuff.
Yeah. And the last egg. So that made 3 eggs. Alright, and then we're going to have 2 cups of flour. I'm going to put in this bowl here. 2 cups all-purpose flour. Hudson Green is mine. And 2 teaspoons of baking soda. A 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Bam. Just like that. I'm going to mix those together. Oh yeah, it has oats. I don't know if I said that too.
And cornflakes.
And cornflakes. And we didn't get cornflakes. We've got frosted flakes. So what's a little bit more sugar, right?
Right.
Frosted flakes. Because frosted flakes beats Kellogg's cornflakes any day. I like they're more crunchier. All right, so we're going to put in a little bit of this at a time. Guys, I want to tell you we appreciate all of you, your comments, your watching, your sharing.
Yes, we do.
We really enjoy it. Woo. Every time we do something more now, we're like, should we video it? Nah, they don't want to see us do that. Like, oh. Maybe do a vlog every day of our life. Ha!
That'd be boring.
Our lives, anyway.
We don't do much exciting stuff.
All right. So now I have 1 cup of coconut, sweetened coconut flakes, and 2 cups of old-fashioned oats I have. And if you don't have the old-fashioned, you have the quick oats, use them. I probably should have put in some vanilla before I did this. Let's put some of that in there. Let me get that all stirred up. Sitting right in front of me, and you know, I forget it because it's right in front of me. We can get her mixed up though.
That's going to be some pretty thick cookies, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Thick dough.
Yeah.
Because we still have cornflakes to go in it, nuts, and the chocolate chip stuff. Ooh.
And M&Ms.
Yeah. It's going to be like a monster cookie. Kind of. All right. So I have 2 cups of flakes going in. You can use Rice Krispies if you want. I think it was 2 cups of that. Yeah, 2 cups. They say if you want different texture, different flavor, use Rice Krispies. Or you can use 1 cup of each. That would be all right too. Whew, I may need you to come and stir this. A cup of nuts. We have pecans. You use walnuts, whatever you want. And this is 2 cups. We have plain M&Ms. I have mini chocolate chips. And these chocolate chips are s'mores chocolate chips, like marshmallow and chocolate. So I wanted to use that stuff up. This is like, you just put whatever you want in it. Ugh. Yeah, this is definitely a thick cookie.
I told you should have pumped iron this morning.
Well, you know, having carpal tunnel don't help either. So I may need you to stir a little.
Neither does having a plate in your arm, but hey, I get through it. I push through the workout.
Oh, listen at you. This will give you a workout too. Because you didn't do any this morning.
Oh, yes, I did.
I know you did. Why, I was sitting in here on the couch.
Right. You did walk with me, though, for a little bit. Got to get those daily walks in, guys. Good for you.
We even walked in the rain yesterday.
You got to work off some of these calories somehow.
Oh, wait till you get done with this cookies. Oh, my goodness.
I'll have to go out there and run for a couple hours.
All right, I think they're all mixed up good enough. Now, I got more bowls out than what I needed. I have a parchment lined pan here. You want to pause so I can clean this stuff up first?
Okay.
Because I don't like it all everywhere. All right, got it cleaned up. Now we're going to put in our cookies. Put them down. Woo! I got my big scoop, so this is like a tablespoon and a quarter or something like that, tablespoon and a half. Leave some room for them to spread out.
Those are going to be pretty good size, aren't they?
Mm-hmm. Them's rancher cookies. They need a big cookie.
Yeah.
I'm just going to put 9 on instead of a dozen. And then it says to smash them down just a little bit on the top.
Need glass?
No, I'm not doing, I'm just smashing a little bit. That's as far as I'm going with it. There. All right, guys, we're going in the oven, 350-degree oven for 10 minutes. And we'll be back when we pull them out. Hey, guys, we went to the Amish this morning. We've been waiting on these dark green watermelons. Look at this. It's $5. Watermelons like this now at Walmart are like $8, $9. But these dark green ones, they're so sweet. They're our favorite from the Amish. So we're going to have that here in a little bit. I'll cut that baby up. And then I got 3 of the yellow ones and 1 green one of hot peppers. They were 4 for $1, so quarter piece. We're going to do some deep fried peppers like we had at Ramsey's. If you guys saw that short on it. They are so good from there. They make like a batter dip. And not just like cornmeal and stuff, but it's a batter. Like maybe a beer batter, what we might do or something. So thought I'd show you those. We're anxious. They smell so good if you like banana peppers.
Those were so good there.
Yeah, so we're going to try it here. So
we'll see if we can match up.
Yeah, at least kind of get there.
Yeah.
Thought I'd just show you, pop in and show you that real quick. All right, we took the cookies out of the oven. They was in there for 11 minutes at 350. As you can see, we already kind of, one's missing, so we only have 8.
We couldn't wait. We had to eat one of them.
And they're still hot, so this is what we're doing. Because like I said, they're still hot. We just did it. And we know that they're delicious.
Mm-hmm.
Just can't wait when you have cookies.
So good.
So good, guys. So Diane Johansson, thank you for suggesting Ranger cookies. This will go into a list that we will make again.
Yeah.
So, enough of me rambling. Like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show with Ranger cookies today. Peace out, guys.
You got to try them, guys.
Have a great day.